Hi everyone, this is Dimitri Prosper with IBM. Today I'm going to share with you a quick tip on how to recover from an error inside of your custom.js file. I was in the middle of creating a new widget for IBM Engagement Center. I added the widget to my custom.js and reloaded the page, and unfortunately after that I noticed that none of my widgets come up on the page, and I've also lost access to the customize button. So let's take a look at the dev tools and see if we can resolve that issue. One of the things that we can do is we can go to the sources tab and we can take a look at the rest folder and identify where our custom.js file is. If we click on it, we can quickly read through it and we can even modify the custom.js. But one of the things that we want to do is we want to stop the custom.js file from loading and then make the modifications we want to make and allow the script to proceed. So I'm going to put a stop on line 12, which is the very first line that I could put a stop into the script, and I'm going to go ahead and reload the page. While the page loads, you can see that it stopped at the breakpoint, and I have the opportunity to resume the script. But let's see where we made the mistake. I know I was adding the Vimeo widget, which is defined here in line 21, so maybe that's where the issue is. So if we scroll down and see where we added the Vimeo widget, and we can see immediately on line 184, I'm calling Vimeo 1, but really the widget should be called Vimeo. So let's go ahead and make the change by deleting the 1, and you notice that the asterisk gets added right here, which means the file has been modified, but it hasn't been saved yet. So let's go ahead and save the file, and the way to do that is we do Control S on Windows or Command S on the Mac. Now that the file is saved, let's go ahead and resume the script. Now with the script resumed, you can see that my page loads, my widget is loaded on the page, and I now have access to the Customize button. Now this custom.js is only been modified in my browser. It is not the same custom.js on the server. So I also now need to go in the version of the custom.js on the server, and I need to make the same exact modification so that it doesn't happen to me later on when I refresh the page and get a new custom.js from the server. So if I go back to line 184, I can see the Vimeo 1, I can update it, and I can save and close. And that's it. Hopefully this will help you if you run into that issue in the future where you make a mistake in your custom.js and you need to be able to resolve it. Thank you.